Good morning, it is Thursday the 14th of January and once again I'm going to talk you through your pink sheet for math today. Okay, so if you're finding the main sheet in the star tabs a little bit tricky, have a go at the pink sheet instead. Now your learning objective today is I can describe again properties of 2D shapes. It's the same learning objective as Monday. On Monday you were thinking about the number of edges or sides on a shape, and today you're thinking about the number of vertices. Okay, so pause the video, have a little chat with somebody with you if there's anyone there able to support you or to chat with you for 30 seconds. If not, just have a think by yourself. What is a vertice of a 2D shape? What does that mean? Okay, pause the video. Okay, so hopefully you remembered from yesterday, we did talk about this briefly, that a vertice is the same as what you might be used to calling a corner of a shape. Okay, so triangle has got 1, 2, 3 vertices. They are where the sides meet. Okay, they come to a point. So where any sides meet, you will get a vertice. Does a circle have any vertices? No, it doesn't, because it just has one round, one curved side or edge. Okay, so there are no points, there are no sides meeting, there are no vertices. How many vertices does a square have? It has 4, doesn't it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they happen to all be right angles. Okay, how many vertices does a semicircle have? It has 2. Okay, so I'm going to think of a shape and I'm going to describe how many vertices it has. I want to see if you can think of what it might be. So my shape has got 5 vertices. What shape? Have a little draw on your whiteboard or a piece of paper. What shape would have 5 vertices? Okay, I like to imagine you all putting your hands up now. The answer, if you're not quite ready, then pause the video, but the answer is a pentagon. Okay, a pentagon has got 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it could be drawn in an irregular way, a different way to this one. As long as it's got 5 sides and 5 vertices, it is a pentagon. Okay, so you will see there's a little link on the webpage to a video about shapes today, just to start off as well. So pause this video, watch the link to the video, and then come back in a moment. Okay, here is your worksheet for today. So you're counting vertices on 2D shapes. Now, I can see that this is covering a little bit up, so let's just go like that instead. Okay, so we, first of all, number 1, A, B, C, and D, we'd like you to put into the box the number of vertices on each 2D shape, and then on the line, just fill in the 2D shape. Okay, that's the bit that it's describing, and you can see the picture of. Number 2, tick all of the shapes with 4 vertices, and number 3, tick all of the shapes with 6 vertices. Okay, moving on. Now this one says, how many vertices does each shape have? So be really careful here. It's quite tricky to count all of those vertices, but have a go, double check your answers, write the numbers into the box. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in again now so that I can see. So we have got Ron here, who is saying that his shape has more vertices than a triangle, but fewer than a hexagon. What shape could Ron have? Okay, and there is more than one correct answer here. So if you can think of more than one answer, fantastic. Number 6, Rosie is making a pattern out of shapes. How many vertices are in each term of her pattern? That means the first term is the green rectangle. So in the box below, write how many vertices the rectangle has. And then moving on, you've got a rectangle and a triangle. So in the box below, combine those vertices, write the answer in the box. And finally, 2 rectangles and a triangle, add together those vertices and write the number in the box. Okay, it says, what do you notice? So have a look at your numbers in the box. You should notice a pattern. And then how many vertices will the next term have? So the next stage of the pattern. So if we've got rectangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, the next stage of the pattern, what do you think it would be? And how many vertices would there be all together? Okay, and then finally a little challenge at the bottom says to create your own patterns with shapes, which you've been doing this week already, and then you could write how many vertices are in your pattern. As always, the answers are uploaded onto the Year 3 webpage. There may be some answers where there's more than one correct one. I think for this work, mainly your answers will be there for you to check. But also, as always, if you'd like to email your work to your teacher, we would love to see it. Okay, so good luck, enjoy your maths today. Remember that key maths word, vertices, okay, or corners. That's what we're learning about today. Now, tomorrow you will notice, you may have noticed, there's no pink sheet and there's no pink video. That is because I would like you to do what's on the Friday star in the maths folder. So the main task, because we are going on a shape hunt. So that's going to be exciting. You're going to go around your house or perhaps outside if possible to look at some different 2D shapes. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow on the main teaching video, all in the yellow star. Okay, have a really good Thursday and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.